Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create laptop ad design using custom shapes. Open a new document for laptop advertisement, then draw a base laptop shape with rectangular custom shapes. Add screen, smaller rectangle shapes. Apply gradient overlay for realistic metallic finish. Insert highlight shapes along edges. Now group all shapes for structure editing. Apply inner shadow to simulate depth. Add background shape to emphasize product focuses. Insert text layer for features and spaces. Align all shapes and text using smart guides. Apply